Today, we're learning English words that you can use to talk about romantic relationships and the people in them. First, obviously, we have boyfriend and girlfriend. A boyfriend is a male partner in a romantic relationship, and a girlfriend is a female partner in a romantic relationship. A boyfriend and girlfriend together are called a couple. However, these are very simple, general terms that do not give us very much information about the relationship. A boyfriend and girlfriend could be two 13-year-olds who hold hands after school. But they could also be two adults who live together and have a much more serious relationship. Also, we do not use these words for married people. Once you are married, we would usually say that you are a husband or a wife. However, the term significant other can be used for anyone with whom you have a romantic relationship. So you can use significant other when you don't want to specify whether the person is male, female, married, or unmarried. Then we have partner. Partner is very similar to significant other. However, it often makes the relationship sound a bit more serious. It sounds like you are partners, people who work together, people who plan to spend their whole lives together and support one another. A lover is basically any person with whom you have a romantic relationship. However, we mostly use lover to mean someone who you regularly have sex with. If your lover is someone outside of your main relationship, and your main significant other does not know about them, you could also call this person a secret lover. You could also call them your paramour. However, to me, this word sounds very old-fashioned, and I would never use it. However, some people do. We also have the term mistress. However, we only use the term mistress when a married man has a female lover outside of his marriage. So if a man is married but also has a romantic relationship with another woman, that other woman is his mistress. Also, when someone has another relationship outside of their main relationship, we call that having an affair, or cheating. Although having an affair and cheating mean basically the same thing, having an affair just sounds a bit more formal, and it also sounds like there's a stronger romantic relationship between the two people. If a 19-year-old college student has a boyfriend, and she has sex with someone who is not her boyfriend, in that situation, we probably would not say that she had an affair. We would probably just say that she cheated on her boyfriend. But if a married person has a secret lover who they really love, and maybe they see all the time, in that type of situation, we could use either one. We could say that they are having an affair, or we could say that they are cheating on their husband or wife. And in both of those situations, we could also say that the person was unfaithful to their significant other. Now we're going to look at a few types of relationships that are a bit different from the basic boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife relationships. When someone says that they are in an NSA relationship, NSA stands for no strings attached. This means that their relationship is sexual, but not emotional. Although they might have sex with this person regularly, they do not consider themselves to be in a romantic relationship with that person. Instead of saying that they are in an NSA relationship, they might also say that they are friends with benefits, which means the same thing. A sugar mama or a sugar daddy is an older person who gives things or money to a younger person in exchange for friendship, romance, or sex. If someone is in an open relationship, this means that they have a significant other, but both of them have agreed that they are also allowed to have relationships with other people. If you are not in a relationship with someone, but you like them. You think that they are cute or handsome, and maybe you want to be in a relationship with them. We can say that you have a crush on them. For example, she had a crush on her classmate. And if you need to explain that you are not in a romantic relationship with someone, you can say, we are just friends, or our relationship is strictly platonic. Strictly platonic just means 100% no sex, no romance. Finally, two modern slang terms that young people often use are bae and boo. These basically mean boyfriend, girlfriend, partner, or significant other, but they do not specify the gender of the person. And unlike those other terms, you can actually use these to address your significant other. It's fine to say, this is my boyfriend, but you would never call your boyfriend in conversation. You wouldn't say, thanks, boyfriend. But you can say, thanks, boo, or thanks, bae. I don't use these terms, and I don't really recommend using them, but you're welcome to if you want to. There were a lot more terms that I wanted to talk about today, but I also didn't want this video to be too long, so this is where we are going to stop for today. If you have other questions about the topic of relationships, please feel free to ask, and I'll try to answer them in future videos. Thank you for watching.